how to watch live video on Instagram. Hi guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you watch or find the live videos on Instagram. So let's get started. On this process, at first you'll have to open Instagram app with your logged in account, and now from here you'll have to just tap on the search icon just at the bottom left corner, so simply tap on it. Okay, so from this section in the search field you'll have to search for live. Alright, so after you search the live in the search field, you'll be able to find the multiple lives that are living on Instagram. So you can easily find it from here and you can easily join that live on Instagram. So here you can see this is the live which looks like this. So from here you can easily find this live, or you can easily find this live from your friends also. So at the top, while you are swiping right, you'll be able to find if any one of your friends is starting or doing live on Instagram. So from there you can find your friends live and you can also join from there. So this is the easiest and simplest method to find or watch live video on Instagram. Hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.